Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. As you can see, we got a freaking squad out here. We got my beautiful 150 and I'm on a Vesco. I can't do it. I can't wheelie it. Hey, you're the legend out here, bro. Boy, big fam out here. It's a rare occasion.
Recording for YouTube. Hey, shouts out to my motherfucking boy MotoBroo, man. We outside.
Let's go, my dude, bro. You already know, the GOAT, the best to ever do it. We got the legend, big fam. The legend, big fam out here, bro. If y'all don't know Big Fam, learn to know him, because I swear he's one of my favorite riders. I just think he's the GOAT, bro. Sport bike vibes, bro. We got everything out here today. We got Grom, sport bike, dirt bikes, Supermotos. Yes, sir. Oh. Huh? Yeah, let's battle, bro. We both on Hondas. Let's race real quick. Ready? You call it. Woo! Bro, I hit the rev limiter. You probably couldn't hear it because all the bikes, but I was just. Wow! Let's go. Everyone's out here. We got the Sooner swag. Let's go. Whip it up, whip it up. Let's go on the Vino. My boy chilling on the Vino, you know. Ooh, hit a little wiggle. Let's go. Homie gave me the look, bro. Woo! Woo! So much is going on. Sorry about it. That's your guys' quad?
Yeah, that's hers.
You got to let me take it for a little spin.
Yeah,
For real? Oh, let's.
there's a little tip for turning on, like the button's kind of a little weird.
Everything works? The brake and everything works? Yeah? There's a trick to starting it? Huh?
The button's messed up.
Oh, the button. Oh boy. What is it, 250?
400.
400? Ooh. This is like the DRZ 400. I f***ed it up. I f***ed it up. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Alright, give it a lot of gas. Alright. Woo! On the quad now. Oh boy. Oh bro, this thing feels good. Yo, this quad feels so good. Y'all know I ain't a quad rider, so me just picking this bad boy up. Oh. Woo. I can't see shit, bro. I couldn't see if anyone was in front of me or not, but I was swagging that arm. What's up? What's up? What's up? He just scraped right in front of me, bro. So you gonna pop it up? Let's go! Yo. Let's go. We got some quad ripping. Ooh! There it goes. Let's go. Thank you, bro. This is a 400?
Yeah.
How you like it?
It's okay.
It's good? You be wheeling it?
Yeah.
Let me record you. It looks like a 600 full-size sport bike, but it's only a 400. It says miles over cops. Oh, he got it. Okay. Dude, you don't really see many people shredding 400s. that Ninja 400. God. Is it a brand new bike or?
21.
21. It looks clean, bro. Thank you. Hey, good to see you, bro.
Thank you. Appreciate it for sending me the
Of course, of course. What's good, bro? How you doing? Hey, we out here.
I need to be outside, baby.
Yes, sir, bro. You just wash it? That been leaking. Oh, it might just be the overflow.
Oh, yeah, 'cause I just filled it up.
Yeah, from it bouncing out.
I'm like, what the fuck?
I won't do this like him. So this is a 450X. What year?
2021.
2021. So they have the 450F and the X, right? Or
This is the X. This is the one for the woods.
for the woods, for trails? Oh, okay. I wonder what this feels like. So right now I'm on a 450X. I wonder what this thing. Oh my gosh, bro. This thing's so smooth. This thing is so smooth, bro. It's so smooth for like a 450. Wow. And compared to my YZ450F, like this is like a smooth controlled bike. The 450, like my Yamaha 450F, it really, like, you barely give it one, it's like blip blip. This is more like you, if you catch my drift. Hey, thank you for letting me ride it. Homie's probably like, yo, what is homie talking about? You're using his hands, emoting. Is this yours or yours? Yours? What do you want to say? Say some.
Hold on.
Oh, bro, you're not even ready? Bro, look at that freaking graphic on his bike. That thing looks clean. And you got the airs on. The Air Forces. I think those are Air Forces. I don't really know my shoes. Does it sound good? Woo! The bad boy. Holy crap, bro. Dude, my thumb is already sore, dude. The bad boy got some power, bro. Dude, I feel like a freaking... I feel like a chump riding this thing, bro. Yeah, I can't wait this. Alrighty, gang. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Sir, boys out here. Remember, stay motivated. We merch in the description down below. I love you. Till next time. Peace.